Hello friends, today we are going to make photo frame from the paper, chart paper. So we need a full sheet paper, colors, card, uh, thread. We need a plastic, this is a old folder. Okay, I will show you first thing what you have to do for the frame. See what I had done. I had cut the plastic sheet according to the photo size, and I had stick all the sides, only opening I had kept it. See this. So this we need in the last. So let's start. First thing, see for the measurement. First thing, how much size? This is a frame. Okay, this is a wooden frame. So this size and this size is same, and this thickness according, and this thickness will be same. So as you want your frame size, you have to do it. So first thing, cut this according to your size, full length you have to take. I'm going to show you on, I had already cut the pieces. So I will just tell you the measurements for this. We want, this is 1.5 centimeter for this one. See. This is 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, again 2.5 centimeter and 1 centimeter. And this height is, total height is, I have taken 19 centimeter. Okay, 19 centimeter. And this line is 2.5 centimeter. Now draw this vertical line, okay, on both the sides. See, on both the sides, okay, and then cut this, only this much portion. I had taken for the length is 14 centimeter. Okay, same way I had done. This is 2.5, and this will not change. Okay, this will be same size. Can you see? It is the same size. So first I will show you the cutting, how to cut it. See children, I will just show you nicely. See, can you see this nicely? Now I'm going to show you the cutting portion. See, after cutting, the remaining lines you have to scroll. Okay, see, with the help of the scale, scroll all the, see, after folding, now the small strip which is 1 centimeter, on that you are going to apply the glue all over the thing. Okay, and stick this way. See, after sticking this, how to joint I will show you. See now, this flap. Okay, one side you are going to cut it and one side you are going to leave it. Okay, on the line I am cutting. See, now on this fold, okay, on the folds just apply a glue on both the sides of the flap, this way. Keep it to dry. Then this portion also we are going to attach. I will show you how I'm going to attach it. Same way we are going to attach. Insert this and insert this way. See, after joining this, you are going to color, give one base color. See, this way. Okay, I will show how I'm going to create the texture. So first, after giving base color, let it dry, and then you have to do. See, I'm applying little bit color, taking a back side of the brush. You can use toothpick also, but I'm using the, see, this way you get the texture. Done. Now complete everything. First I had shown you how to use this, put the photos inside, cut it and close the all side. Okay, and just stick this and your frame is ready. You can also decorate your frame this way also. See, I have put in the color papers also. So this way you can decorate your frame and enjoy your craft. Till then, take care.